to the promised land, the land of milk and honeys.
Me? Wait, why? Is that a joke about something? Why is it?
Yeah, because no one's from here. Where are we going?
Yo, first stop gambling. How much can you lose before Hannah gets here?
Oh, I'm going for it all. Little vodka bar coming to the airport. All right, LA, one of these. Ooh, on the ground.
LA Spirit.
Oh, just kidding. A11.
These Las Vegians are crazy.
Woo! Vegas!
Are you saying that to me?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's clearly it's square.
that's so embarrassing.
Play it? I feel like it's calling out to me. What are we doing right now?
We are waiting at gate B21 because Hannah just landed and this is where her flight is deboarding. So we're gonna be here
Gonna
to say
ambush
hi.
her.
Yeah, I'm gonna scream at her.
We've been waiting for 2 hours while people are boarding.
No one else. We suspect that her carry-on got stuck on one of the chairs while she was trying
Oh, I
to
see
roll
a
it
shadow.
out.
Oh,
Is it
that's
her?
that's.
Oh, that's definitely
that's a
too tall.
6 foot tall person. Oh.
Where are you?
I'm documenting.
When I went to go donate bone marrow in Seattle. Oh wait, I remember you texting me.
That's us, guys.
Oh, that's us. Oh yeah.
Recently brought it from. I brought like a single bill from Seattle to Florida when I was moving out of college. Really? I didn't get caught.
Hello.
Hello, vlog. We're getting sushi.
Woo. Okay. Type shit. Oh, you can eat sushi at Sushi 21. Who do you think's gonna be drunkest tonight? Rachel.
It's probably gonna be you.
Me?
I think it's gonna be you. Rachel's not gonna get that drunk.
Okay. Who do you think's gonna be drunkest tonight?
Wait, did you think like?
I wonder. I don't know, man. I think it's gonna be me.
Okay,
You?
that makes more sense.
Self-nomination. Ben, who do you think's gonna be drunkest tonight?
Tonight?
Yeah. We'll do this every night. We'll have
I'm
a
inclined
survey.
to say me because I have no self-control. Because I feel like no one's gonna go hard tonight
Right,
because
another
we have the
self-nomination.
Grand Canyon.
Yeah. Well,
I'm gonna wake up early to go to the rental car, so I'm not getting drunk tonight.
Oh shit. Wah wah. Who do you think's gonna be drunkest tonight?
Rachel.
Rachel.
I think Rachel will go the hardest tonight, for sure.
Is that a red flag? What do you think?
Like a horror movie.
What the
Yeah.
He couldn't make it. He was like, I might go to a place around here, and then he called
me a weird, bro. I don't know
what's up.
Okay, I think everyone has to introduce themselves to the vlog. Hannah, say your name and one fun fact about you.
Hello, my name is Hannah. I've hit someone with my car before.
Oh, you hit someone with your car.
They're okay.
Oh,
It
the
was like
person
a
on the
little
bike,
nudge.
right?
Yes.
We go that way. I gotta think my fun fact.
I don't know. It's one fact.
Fun fact. Fun fact.
Bring it back to Kelvin. Put the pressure on him.
Oh, hi. My name is Kelvin. I used to compete in chess.
Wow.
My name is AJ. My wife danced with Flo Rida.
That's so true. That did happen.
My name is Mo and I'm an addict to
My name is Mo. I'm a bitch man, and I hate cigarettes and I hate anybody who's smokes cigarettes.
So
My
true.
name is Mo and I love cigarettes. Ice cream.
Enjoy your ice cream, Mo.
Yo, that's a great way to start a video.
We're walking back to our hotel from dinner.
Yeah, can you skip it?
My phone's over there.
Wait, why do I say two?
Hannah has to drink.
Wait, what does it say?
Hannah has to...
solve a Rubik's Cube.
Ah!
Yeah, you can. Wait, who did AJ choose?
I give one to Rachel and
Why do you hate me?
Dab you up for that.
Mo is not
You
okay.
okay, bro?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
All gingers take a shot. Well, too bad we don't got gingers.
Are you just reading cards?
No,
What flavor do you
just
have?
read mine.
disgusting.
Same.
In the car, singing along, random songs.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
I don't like going to random karaoke rooms.
he gets 5 tigers, he wins the whole. Hey, Panda Magic, Panda! Okay, it's going up. It's going up.
It's still
Off
going.
a 10-cent bet, right? Or 50 cent?
On a 50-cent bet?
Holy moly, you're still in debt.
Okay.
All right, we're almost done with Kat's money. We're now at 10% of what Kat's money started with. Dude, $9. We're back, baby. Punch out. We're robbing this place.
Cheers. Alligator bar in the Orleans Hotel. His safe place. Which one do you want?
They have reds, bro.
It's
Yeah,
the
they scan
pilgrimage.
the app, bro. I want to go get them from the hotel room so
He's
bad.
craving them. A little
How
drunk
good.
ciggy.
You guys can bet here.
It's so cinematic.
Yeah, you can't have the same color, Hawaiian and Hawaiian. No, you have Hawaiian. What color is left? I think I want the yellow.
Wow, look at that. The orange haze.
Just the boys. Just roaming through Vegas. Hardly.
All right, we got up early and me and Mo went to go get a rental car.
And we got Wendy's breakfast.
Wendy's breakfast. We're at Smith's Grocery. We're gonna stock up for today. Our Grand Canyon expedition. Pop socket, I'm like terrified.
Yeah, I'm not going.
You know my favorite? Nah. Ah. Dude, I'm so scared.
Yo, that's freaky. Maybe this type is,
Oh, shoot.
but like colorful, you know? Oh, these are all ugly colors. Yeah, like these orange ones.
They look comfortable too. Like,
Look, I'm trying to get shoes like this. Like your dad's shoes.
Oh, you like them? Let's go on the Crocs website.
She's been
I
inspired.
want that exact copy. Those are cooler.
Oh, it's on sale. First impressions of the dam. Damn.
When we looked on the other side and I saw how deep the deep side was, I was like, oh my god, that's scary. You know, like
it's big.
Are you crying?
No, sneezing. I was about to sneeze. I sucked it into the wall.
It was so beautiful. It just made you cry.
Yeah, it was.
First impressions of the dam? I can't lie. At first, I was like, oh, I thought it was gonna be bigger, but now I'm like, okay, I hyped it up too much in my head, and now I've accepted it. It's cool. You've accepted it. It's alright. I think I had in my head that it was like the biggest dam ever for some reason, and I don't think it is. But it's big.
keep in mind they built it in 40.
Yeah, that's
insane.
I couldn't do that.
I
I couldn't do that now.
I can't even put a Jenga tower together, let alone a dam.
It is one of the 7 engineering wonders. So, all
I think it
right.
was on time. It wasn't late. It didn't get delayed.
Oh, really?
It was a Gantt chart. It was a Gantt chart. God damn.
We are in, well, I don't think we're actually in the dam. Where are we? We're in the mountain or something.
Oh, those guys are out there.
I was like Jimmy Fallon.
Wow.
Jimmy Fallon.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh my god, I thought those were real people for a second. It just like scared me for a split second.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
No clue what the angle are. Kind of tough.
Hey, now they're down to 10.
Things should not be allowed to get this big. Incredible.
We're headed into Arizona to go to the Grand Canyon.
Ain't getting too much anymore. But if we
We're
do,
going
it's
to
like
get Starbucks
Kurt,
before the
Sam.
Grand Canyon.
That's right.
The Holy Grail. Starbucks is so cute. Also, there's Joshua trees. So sick.
Starbucks run. Starbucks run.
Grand Canyon, we're coming for you.
Hour, right?
Still have an hour.
LA, let's go.
Are we there yet, Mom?
Almost, sweetie. Which one?
Three.
Yeah, 3.
Keep going and get back.
Can we just get a day pass? Any U.S. military service No. Cool. I'm from California. They're from Oregon.
We're parked in Bighorn 2.
Where are we walking towards?
I don't know.
Oh.
Is this? I don't know.
This might be the Little
High
Canyon.
up viewpoint.
This is the Little Canyon. This isn't the Grand Canyon.
You sure?
Be ready.
Wait, is this it?
Oh.
Whoa. No.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my god, it's so grand.
Holy. Oh.
Talk about Grand Canyon, bro.
Oh my god, it's so deep.
That's crazy.
I feel like I'm not scared.
Oh, sorry.
No, bro, it looks fake, right?
I don't know what I'm looking
It
at.
looks too deep.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like too big for my brain to wrap my head around. Wow.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, we already did.
Hey, little guy.
A chipmunk bit me on Mount Rainier.
Is that a chipmunk? Or? Yeah, it's a
That's a
chipmunk.
squirrel,
No, I think it's, look at the ears. I think it's a chipmunk.
I just want to
Hi, little guy.
Oh my gosh.
I'm speechless. doing?
Last moments.
Alright, hype. 3, 2, 1.
Photo shoot.
Yeah,
Photo shoot.
No, keep moving, keep moving.
Yo. Photo shoot. Not the random pair.
A funny one.
Oh my god, Hannah. How are you gonna get back up? Nah, I think this is where I stop.
Oh, shit.
That's like literally just a drop off. I think this is where I call it quits. I'll go down here.
Oh, my.
Hannah, stop!
Hey, well, now you have to take a picture of her. I'm done with my pair.
Hey.
I wanted to get the canyon.
We climbed up to a really scary viewpoint.
Yeah, we got
I
peer
guess
pressure.
climbed down. And it's really cool, but it's really freaky and now we're scared to move. That's where we came from. We climbed down. I'm not gonna look at what I'm showing you because it's gonna scare me. Somewhere around there. Somewhere, I can't even, somewhere back there. Yeah. Over there. Pretty wild. All right, I want to move off this rock. I'm scared. Starbucks number 2. I also,
that's crazy.
I had a free, well, okay, the guy who made my drink this morning, he was so very nice, but he did not put the right amount of espresso in it because it was much. I've gotten that drink a gazillion times and it was not how it's supposed to be. So it didn't wake me up enough. So here's my second.
That's like your second triple shot of the day.
No, I'm saying he didn't put a triple shot in that one.
Right, so
I know he didn't. I've had that drink a lot. I think he did a single. Anyway, I had 200 stars, so I got a free drink. And whenever I get a free drink, I get like a $12 drink because it's free, so I gotta take advantage. So I get a venti chai with a triple shot, oat milk, and caramel drizzle.
Damn.
This is gonna help.
Why are you talking like a baby? Widow will we?
Stop. Wait, I was gonna say something else. Oh, yeah, so we are leaving the Grand Canyon now. It's past 5 o'clock and we have like a 5-hour drive back to Vegas, which is not ideal. Because we also were supposed to go clubbing tonight. We still will, but like...
We will. We have to rally.
We have to pregame. So by the time I get back, though, that's the time we were going to go clubbing to beat the lines. So I don't know. We have to figure it out. But anyway, we're hoping Mo gets us there quick. And I
lost my water bottle.
Oh, yeah.
I lost my hydro
He lost
flask.
his water bottle because we went to get our stamp for our passport book. And he set his water bottle down to stamp it and then left it there. And then they closed the visitor center at 4 o'clock. And nobody had access to it.
Yeah, Kelvin and I got there at 4:05 and it was like, oh.
No! Oh, that sucks. And then we went to the gift shop and we found a license plate for our collection. Yay. We didn't find it at first. I thought they didn't have any and I was really sad. And then we asked the cashier and he was like, oh yeah, we do. And he got it for us and it's really cute.
Yep, that's what happened. Say hi to Kelvin.
How was the Starbucks bathroom? What would you give it out of 10?
Hey, you know there's a bottle there. You could have. There was a hydro flask.
Yeah, I saw Was
that.
It really?
Is it blue?
Did it say on it? Well,
Cut that.
Might as well. I gotta bleep
Cut
that.
that.
I think it said. Maybe it said. I think I saw with a few initials. I think it said AJ Prasad.
Dude, I lost like a really nice custom engraved like flask that said AJ Prasad that I got as a gift for my Boy Scout thing.
Wait,
I had, like,
where did that go?
I lost it in Gainesville at the mall, and we went back there to look for it, and it was gone. Like somebody.
You and me?
Yeah.
Wait, I don't remember this.
Dang.
And it said AJ Prasad on it. Like it was in. Like no one else could take that and be like, "This is mine."
Where did you leave it?
I left it in the mall, little like courtyard area. Oof, we need to open the window.
It's hot. Hi, Hannah.
It's a nice breeze.
How do you rate the Grand Canyon?
A 10 out of 10. She was beautiful, stunning, gorgeous.
That is one of the coolest like.
That might,
national
yeah, that was
things.
crazy.
It's just you just show up and it's like right there, and you're like.
Where's the video?
So So,
Yeah, Kelvin insisted.
2024 was the Florida
Wait,
trip.
why are you filming at the same time as me?
Oh.
No, you can. You take over. You take over.
2024 was the Florida
Wait,
trip.
why are you filming at the same time as me?
Oh.
No, you can. You take over. You take over. Go for it.
Look at that. Vlogception.
So what's the next annual trip? Denver? Is that what? I've never
Denver
been.
would be fun.
Never been to Colorado. Utah
Texas?
would be sick.
Utah?
I want to
Mo
go
was
to
saying,
Utah.
Mo was saying Yellowstone.
Is that the one in?
I forget.
Yellowstone, California.
Okay, Yosemite is in one of the Utah states.
Oh shoot.
No.
Right there.
The burgers?
The In-N-Out crew is here.
I'm cool. Enough crew. Can't make fresh food.
How was the panda? Was it fresh?
No, that was good though.
Time to rally up the troops.
Woo!
Get our party.
Vegas. I can't see anything. And it goes on and on and on. Yeah, I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, "Ayo, gotta let go." Home sweet home. Time to pregame. It's your vlog time. We're in line for the Omnia. Shout out to Paloma, our Uber driver. She was so nice.
She taught me the phrase.
Can I put that in?
Of course.
That.
She was so nice, right? It was like the best Uber I've ever had.
She was really nice. How you doing?
Vegas.
You said Vegas?
Vegas.
Out of 10, you're a Vegas?
Did you ask me how I'm doing?
Yeah, what did you think I said? How you doing? Are you Vegas out of 10?
I'm feeling so fun.
Out of 10, are you a Vegas?
Yeah.
7.
Actually, I could use like 3 more drinks,
Me
honestly.
too. I'm kind of like a 5
good.
right now. I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, no, I'm dramatizing. I'm like a 3. Uh-oh.
5 out of 10.
We're in! Calvin is sick! Hannah pushed him too far.
We're gonna bring a Wawa.
Yeah, we're gonna get him water.
We're gonna get a Wawa.
We're gonna get Wawa. We got branded. We're in a game.
21.
Let's go.
21. Can you do something for me? Can you let me? For me.
8?
Who's gonna?
They have that technology?
You've never heard of boob tape? Yeah, you tape them.
I think Rachel will still be the drunkest tonight.
I think so too.
Hey, Do.
Who's gonna be drunkest?
It's gonna be me.
Wait, can we be drunk? Can we be the drunkest together? Truce.
Wow, this is a historical moment I just witnessed. Wait, you guys! Kelvin is so out sick.
No,
Yeah,
Calvin's
that is true. We need to get Wawa. We need to get Wawa, Kelvin. We need to get Kelvin Wawa.
He means
They
water.
don't have Wawa over here.
They do have Wawa.
No, they don't.
It's illegal to not have Wawa in the
No,
desert.
Wawa?
Guys, you know what I'm really craving is Waffle House.
Oh.
I could go for a waffle.
Is there a Waffle House?
Can we have waffle and bacon?
They don't have that on the West Coast.
Bro, they don't have anything over here.
Is that Big Caesars?
Oh, it might be Big Caesars, you're right.
All right, Bellagio. Gucci.
I can't see anything.
Kelvin, let's go. Let's go, Kelvin.
At this like really nice resort. So realistically,
Wow. Okay, Bellagio. Whoa.
Guys, there's blood on my shoe.
Come on, Rachel.
Why would you do this to me?
I'm just trying to help.
I'm kidding. I don't know who it was. America. It's the Eiffel Tower and it's red, white, and blue. What is this place? I'm confused.
We're going to Cosmo. What did you say about that?
I said it's beautiful and Hannah said she wants to jump.
Okay. We're in a circular elevator. It's so fun. Oh wait. What am I doing? I'm sorry.
They got these at Jersey Garden Mall. You know that?
We're on a cruise ship.
Ah, yes, we are.
Long ass freaking day. We really did rally after the Grand Canyon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Momo. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my god!
Make a wish.
Thank you. Thank you. Shoot.
Speech. I got the shrimp buns. The spicy cucumbers are really yummy.
Philippines use spoons a lot.
Eiffel Tower view.
Probably not edible, right?
Oh, I think it is.
Options could exist.
Oh, you're right.
I got a caramel macchiato. What did you get?
An Americano.
Yeah, and then a raspberry tart. Here's the raspberry mountain pastry.
What are the
Perfect angle.
Thank you.
Okay, I feel like we're gonna stab it and it's just gonna fall apart.
Which is why.
Yeah, put it on the plate.
salmon features your frothy.
Oh my gosh, the thing's so flimsy.
Are you talking about actual commodities? Like,
Well, yes, but also just in general for more. I don't buy features, but just for buying actual sets. I think it's.
Okay.
Actually, I did that with the Costco players.
Let's try a raspberry.
Yeah. Oh.
I did a saltier. I'm just kidding. And then I like dried it, and then I wrapped it. With,
Oh,
The
they're
raspberries are
sweet.
very sweet.
Very
so it's like
Now I'll try the crust.
It's pretty good at having it.
Excellent
Very
breakage.
French.
Nice and flaky. Nice and short. I think we have a shortbread crust.
Bro, I can't. This plastic fork can't.
She got weak hands.
It's so funny that they pretend it's a metal fork, but it's like.
Bro, how did you cut your crust?
Pretty
it's all
strong.
about the optics.
Apparently. Okay, I guess I get a little crumb.
Very buttery.
It's giving. What is that? It tastes like something. Is it cheesecake on the inside?
It's filled with the custard.
Okay.
Oh, this is really good. So vanilla bean custard.
They're little chocolate pearls. Oh, that's good. I wish I could try more of the crust. That's good.
Excellent.
That's very good.
What are
The
the notes?
raspberries are really good.
I know.
They're not sour at all. Actually.
Yeah, they're very sweet.
I think the shortbread's like solid. It's not crazy, but
Yeah.
it's good. You can see the vanilla beans in it. Raspberries are carrying.
Raspberries are carrot. What about the custard? The custard's
custard's
good.
I didn't get any yet.
What? Here.
I'll just take right this. She has my cookies already. Kelvin?
Thank you.
Sorry, I don't know why.
The custard's like creme brulee, if I say.
I don't think I've ever had creme
He would
brulee.
know because he's made it before.
You've made creme brulee? Wow.
With a 3 o'clock show. We have 24 minutes. I mean, how in sync to the music is it actually? They just play,
Look, they're moving with his voice.
Oh wait, no, that's
Oh, that's with the drums. That's cool.
like she'll put down stuff.
Oh my god, you don't have a picture?
Yeah.
the type of person with not an accent after most.
Yes. And like somewhere that will get a drink so we can walk with a drink.
We gotta get a giant daiquiri.
Where is that? I do.
The Flamingo. Next stop. That's where we're headed. They have live flamingo. The flamingos. Hello, flamingos. We out here with our giant 48-ounce margarita. Next stop. Wow. We're in Italy.
You're gonna do both.
Wait, how do I do it?
Drag the little chips.
So you could do like 3 plus 2 probably.
Wait, tell me what to
You
click.
could do like
You
3
just click
uneven
one.
and
You
2
don't drag
uneven.
it. You just click it. Oh, or you can drag it.
In here?
Whatever you want.
So wherever you want.
What does this mean?
That means any red.
Any red.
Any red number. So basically, yeah.
Red? Press this?
Yeah. You have a slight hedged bet. We want red even.
The winning number is 31 black orange.
No way! It's rigged! I told you it's rigged. We made it to the sphere. Gosh, big.
But they like try to have concerts. It's like
Look, we got the Space Needle. We're headed into the fashion mall in hopes that they have a souvenir store with a Vegas license plate. Someone told me they would, so we'll see. They named a store after Suki. Suki and Hannah. Best friends.
Riding a bus to the
Deuce. That is to the deuce. What?
What?
Oh my god, it's the sun. It's shorter than I thought it was, right?
It's smaller than I thought.
Yeah, do you want to go inside?
We at the Vegas sign. Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. Nevada? I don't know. Taco time. Statue of Liberty. Wait, it goes outside? I thought it was inside. Oh. Showtime. Damn. I got the Twins Destiny drink, but it's funny because I put a lid in a straw, so it doesn't look like alcohol.
She was awesome.
What do you say for?
Yeah, this is what this is.
I mean, yeah, that is what this is. We're predicting that they're gonna go on these things.
Upscale.
They're gonna cater to the people like me with no glasses in the back row. We finally secured a Vegas license plate. It took so many different shops, but we found one. Wait, the fire escapes.
Are you gossiping? Say goodbye to Las Vegas. See ya. Kelvin's crying.
Tears of joy.
Post Las Vegas.
Is your finger in the frame?
Yeah.